Hello everyone, welcome back to this session on boats upstream and downstream part 2. In part 1 we have seen 2-3 questions which were based on finding the speed of the stream, finding the speed of the uh, boat and finding the distance and time. Now in this part we are going to see similar sums with different level of complexity. Let's start the session. Okay, considering this question where the question says a speed boat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water goes 30 km downstream and comes back in a total of 4 hours 30 minutes. What is the speed of the stream in kilometer per hour? Okay, so what all things are given? Speed of stream is given, my dear friend. U is given, right? Okay, what all things are given? Let's write here. U is given as 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is asked? V is not given. We have to find out. They have also given key a speedboat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water goes 30 km downstream, right? So downstream distance downstream is given. Distance downstream is 30 km. Okay, and comes back. When it is comes back, that means distance remains same, right? If a boat goes from place A, suppose point A to point B, a boat goes from point A to point B and again comes back, the distance remains same. Let it be downstream or upstream, the distance remains same. The timing will change. Why? Because the speed changes, isn't it? Okay, so the distance upstream also will be 30 km. That is fine. Okay, now what is the speed downstream? Speed downstream and speed upstream. Downstream speed will be U plus V kilometer per hour and upstream will be U minus V kilometer per hour. This is quite known to all of us. Let's using these information, let's try to find out the value of V. Okay, what they have given, one more thing they have given is T is equal to 4 hour 30 minute, right? So can we write this as 4 hour and 30 minute can be written as 1 by 2 hour in terms of hour. 60 minute is equal to 1 hour, so 30 minute is half an hour, so that is nothing but 9 by 2 hours. So these many data is already given, these many data are given in the question. Okay, considering we know the formula total time, and this 4 hour 30 minute is the total time taken in upstream and downstream. So T is equal to T up plus T down, we can tell. And what is T? T is nothing but distance by speed, right? Why? Because distance is equal to time into speed, or speed is equal to distance by time. Hence time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, so we are using the same formula. T is equal to 9 by 2 hours. In this case it is already given, is equal to 9 by 2 hours. We have got here time is equal to 9 by 2 hours, which is total time taken upstream and downstream. Upstream, what is that? Distance upstream is constant, right? Distance upstream or downstream, you see it is going to be 30 km only. So distance by, what is that? Speed upstream plus distance by speed downstream, isn't it? Okay, so what is speed? Distance is 30 divided by 30 divided by, what is speed upstream? Upstream is U minus V. This is U plus V, correct? No? Okay, so that means 9 by 2 is equal to 30 by, what is this? U minus V. U is known, 15 kilometer per hour. So can we write 15 minus v plus 30 into 15 plus v? Correct, no? Okay, so let's take the LCM. It will be 15 minus into 15 plus v. Okay, okay. What will come here? This will go here, right? This two, 30 taking out, common we can take, so this becomes 1, this becomes 1. Okay, no problem. Now 30 common means 15 plus v plus 15 minus v, by taking the LCM as 15 minus v into 15 plus v. So that is nothing but 30 common into v minus v plus v get cancelled, and this becomes 30. So 30 into 30 divided by a minus b, a plus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square is what? 9 by 2. Can we tell cross multiplication? By doing cross multiplication, can we tell now 9 into 15 square minus 9v square will be equal to 2 into 30 into 30, right? Okay, this is 2, not 20. 2 into 30 into 30. That shows, can we also write, that shows, now if we want to find 9v square, right? So that shows this 9 anyways we would have taken common. That shows 15 square is 225 minus v square is equal to 2 into 30 into 30 divided by these two, 9 we have taken common, and we are taking this as it is multiplication here, division there. So this 3 times, and this becomes 10, and this again becomes 10. So what we get is 200, right? So that means v square coming on the right hand side, what we will get that side? 225 minus 10 into 10 is 100 into 2, 200. That means this is 25. That means 5 is equal to under root of 25. That is 5. Correct, no? So what is v? V is what we have to find out. V is speed of stream in kilometer per hour. So 5 kilometer per hour is our answer. We got V value as 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. Let's see another question. A boat is moving 2 kilometer against the current of the stream. A boat is moving 2 kilometer against the current of the stream. That means what? Against the current of the stream means it is nothing but against, upstream. Okay, in 1 hour, and moves 1 kilometer in the direction of the current. In the direction means it is nothing but downstream. Okay, in 10 minutes. How long will it take for the boat to go 5 kilometer in stationary water? Very easy. They have given distance traveled upstream is equal to 2 kilometer. They have also given time spent upstream is equal to 1 hour. So what is the speed upstream? Distance by time, 2 by 1 kilometer per hour, that is 2 kilometer per hour. So we have got upstream speed. Now distance traveled downstream is also given. How much it is? Okay, and from here moves 1 kilometer, right? 1 kilometer. Time downstream is given in 10 minutes. 10 minute means what? It is nothing but 1 by 6 hour. How it is 1 by 6 hour? Because minute to hour conversion, if you want to do, we have to multiply by 1 by 60. Minute to hour, right? So 10 divided by 60 is equal to nothing but 1 by 6 hour. So what is the speed downstream? Speed downstream will be nothing but distance by time. 1 divided by 1 by 6, that is 6 goes up 6 kilometer per hour. So what we have? We have the value of upstream speed and downstream speed. How long will it take for the boat to go 5 kilometer in stationary water? So let's find stationary water. What is the speed? Speed u, that is u. U is nothing but speed. Okay, is nothing but, or when we want to find the u is nothing but speed in stationary water, the boat speed in stationary water. How we will find? Half of s upstream plus s downstream, right? Speed upstream plus downstream. Okay, which is nothing but half of 2 plus 6, that is 8 divided by 2, that is 4 kilometer per hour, right? Okay, the speed we got as 4 kilometer per hour. Now what is distance given? How much distance we have to travel? Distance is equal to 5 kilometer. So how much is the time they are asking, right? So time is nothing but distance divided by speed, that is 5 kilometer divided by speed is 4, right? So that is 4 ones are 4 hour. How much is remaining? 1 by 4. 1 hour, 1 by 4 hour, right? 1 by 4 hour can be written as 15 minute. 15 minute, because 60 minute is 1 hour. So 1 by 4 of hour is 15 minute, right? Okay, 60 divided by 4. So 1 hour 15 minute is the answer. We got the time taken by the boat in stationary water to travel 5 kilometer, that is 1 hour 15 minutes. It can be also written as 1 by 4. We can also write as 1 by 4 hour. Okay, or we can write 1 hour 15 minutes, or we can write 1 point, this is 100, right? 25 kilometer, 1.25 hour, right? So normally this or this way will be the answer given in the question paper. In the question paper, quantitative aptitude, mostly what happens, ABCD options will be given. So ABCD options, if you talk about, these two are the options. Either answer will be given this way or answer will be given this way. Very rare it will be given this way. So these two can be the answer of this kind of question. Look at the option and find the right answer or tick mark the right answer. Let's talk about the next question, finding swimmer speed. A man takes 20 minutes to row 12 kilometer upstream, right? So what they have given, 12 kilometer upstream. Distance upstream is 12 kilometer. Time taken upstream is 20 minutes. Okay, which is 1/3 more than the time taken on his way downstream. Okay, downstream again 12 kilometer he will have to go, but the time is different. Okay, why? Because if it was x, then x plus 1/3 of x is equal to 20. Okay, so we do not know what is his speed in still water. What they are asking, find the value of u. U can be found if we know the speed of u is what? U is nothing but half of speed downstream plus speed upstream, right? We know the time, so let's try to find out the speed upstream is equal to, this time has to be changed to, this minute has to be changed to hour, or right, hour. So let's see what it is. 20 minute will not be equal to, 20 minute will be equal to 20 divided by 60 hours, isn't it? Okay, this get cancelled, so 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 hours. Let's try finding out speed of boat upstream. What is that? Distance by time. What is distance? 12 kilometer divided by time, 1 by 3 hour. That is, this 3 goes up, 12 into 3, 36 kilometer per hour. Now when we talk about upstream, how to find the downstream speed? What is given? Just look at the question. What is given? Upstream the speed will be less, downstream the speed will be more. How much more? So what is given in the question? A man takes 20 minutes to row 12 kilometer upstream, which is 1/3 more than the time taken by his on the way by him on his way downstream, right? Downstream he would have his speed was more, that is why time is less. Up speed he takes more time. Why? Because speed is less, isn't it? So can we tell the speed downstream of the person, and when we talk about the speed of the person in downstream, will be 1/3 more than the speed of upstream? Okay, so let's write, that is nothing but up speed plus 1/3 of, more means plus, correct? No, of up speed. Okay, so that is nothing but upstream speed is 36 plus 1 by 3 of 36, 12 times, that is 36 plus 12, 48 kilometer per hour. So what we got? SUSD we got, downstream upstream. Then what is his speed in still water? We can find out, no? U is equal to half into downstream plus upstream, half into 36 plus 48 is equal to half into 84. Correct. So that is nothing but 42 kilometer per hour. U is equal to 42 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the person in still water, right? So we have got this answer as well. So this question, if you talk about this question and the last question, is very important, because these kind of questions were asked in most of the Indian based MNC question paper. When we talk about placement paper, it was also asked in MNC out of India, from abroad, and it was also asked in railways question paper of bank PO, SSB, so all those examination it was asked. Hope you have understood it nicely, and if so, please like the channel, like the video, and please subscribe to this channel, share it to others. Thank you so much. I'll come back again with some other videos on another topic. Till then, take care, have a good day, bye bye.